English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 28.
Today, I'm going to talk about. First, I'm going to look at. Then, I would like to explore. Lastly, I will tell you about.
Today I'm going to talk about a new approach that we want to try. To start this talk, I will give an overall introduction to the project. Second, after the introduction, I'll describe our role in the project. Next, we'll explore the benefits of this approach. After that, we'll look at the possible difficulties we might have. Then, to finish, we'll look at what future research we can do. Lastly, I will answer any questions that you have for me.
I'll start by. I'd like to begin by. Let's begin by. Well, I've told you about. That's all I have to say about. So, we've looked at. Turning to. Let's move on to look at. Moving on now to.
Well, I've told you about the sales figures in the last 5 years. Turning to the first quarter of this year, we launched 5 new food products in January. 3 sauces and 2 ready meals. As you can see, the ready meals were a huge success. The sauces, however, are a different story. So, we've looked at the new products and their sales figures. Moving on to our new marketing strategies. This year, we started marketing properly through social media channels. We noticed that different age groups responded very differently to our campaigns. I'll end my part of the presentation by thanking you all for coming along at such short notice. Jerry will now move on to talk about our plans for next year. Jerry?
Handout. Slide. Screen. Projector. Microphone. Flip chart. To sum up. In short. So we covered. I'm happy to answer any questions. Does anyone have any questions? Would you like to ask any questions?
To sum up, this is a big year. I'm happy to answer any questions. So, we've covered the main issues. Does anyone have any questions? Would you like to ask anything? In short, next year is important.
Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about our new range of products. I'd like to begin by showing you something new. Look at our new range of burgers for the summer. As you can see, they are healthier, they look great, and have a strong Mexican influence. They also taste great, trust me. You can see more details in your handouts and taste some later. So, that's all I have to say about the product for now. Let's move on to look at the promotion materials. We want one of these up in every restaurant by the beginning of June. There will also be radio advertising. So, we've briefly covered the product and the promotion. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Does anyone have anything they want to ask?
To start, let's look at the way the company has performed. In short, we are very proud of our new products. I'd like to begin by looking back at past sales. That's all I have to say about the advertising campaign. Let's move on to talk about the packaging we've designed. Does anyone have any questions for me?
End of Lesson 28.